How does the number of hydrogen ions control the pH? Higher content by KayScience.com. So we already know strong acids ionize completely in solution. We know this because when we have a beaker full of water, the hydrogen chloride gas dissolves in the water and completely ionizes, forming hydrogen ions and chloride ions which are free to move through the solution. So the hydrogen chloride ionizes completely in solution because it is a strong acid. We're now going to compare the concentration of hydrogen ions in moles per decimeter cubed of hydrochloric acid against the pH value of that concentration. So when there's 0.1 moles per decimeter cubed of hydrochloric acid, the pH value is 1. At 0.01 moles per decimeter cubed, the pH value is 2. And at 0.001 moles per decimeter cubed, the pH value is 3. And then at 0.0001 moles per decimeter cubed, the pH value is 4. We can see how as the concentration increases by 10 times, the pH value decreases by 1. As the concentration increases by 10 times again, the pH value goes from 3 to 2. The pH value decreases by 1. So you need to know, as the concentration increases by 10 times, the pH value always decreases by 1. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So here's a table which compares how the pH changes as the difference in concentration of hydrogen ions changes as well. As the pH decreases by 1 from 7 to 6, the concentration increases by 10 times. As the pH decreases by 2 from 5 to 3, the concentration of hydrogen ions is 100 times higher in a pH of 3 compared to a pH of 5. And finally, as the pH decreases from 3 to 0, the concentration of hydrogen ions is 1,000 times higher in a pH of 0 compared to a pH of 3. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.